If you're under 25, your brain isn't fully developed yet, so you can't properly understand things or make important decisions. No, that is not how your brain works. I know a lot of people keep saying it, and I know that the frontal lobe theory is very popular right now. That doesn't change the fact that it's guff. But the studies which led to this whole idea that the brain stops developing at 25, the people they were looking at in these studies, the oldest of them were 25. That means the brain didn't stop developing at 25, that's just when we stopped looking. Using that logic, saying the brain stops developing at 25, it's like saying Olympic sprinters can only run 100 meters. If they run 101 meters, they just keel over and die. Not true, that's just when the race ends. Maybe your brain isn't fully mature until your mid-20s, but it still works, and it works fine. Your lungs don't finish growing until you're 25, and no one thinks those under 25 can't breathe. You might disagree with this, of course. You might think, I'm just one person. Who am I to dispute the claim of so many? Doctor of neuroscience for over 20 years, lectured other doctors about how brains work for 7 years, author of 2 books about brain development in young people. But believe me, the whole, if you're under 25, your brain's not fully developed, that's often used as a way to just dismiss or ignore the feelings and views of people under 25. And we don't need younger people amplifying that, do we? It happens enough as it is.